Hey, welcome to this Facebook case study. And I just wanted to show you a very quick way to generate traffic and make instant money, and I actually did this on a Sunday. Normally, I never work on Sundays. This is my day off to spend with the family. But I just took us out of my day. And it may be around $80 okay, so it's something super quick, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Okay. So basically, I have a Facebook group. And now it's over 7,000 group members, so you know quite a lot of people, so I can leverage it. But even if you don't have a Facebook group yet, don't worry, because it's super easy to start on. You can just start adding people that are basically interested in the topic that you're promoting, or that you're interested in, and you want to create a group around, so you know even if you don't have a Facebook group yet. Don't worry, this is the least of your worries. You know we can start a group and fill it with 1,000 people in no time. So, I had this group. I never really used it to make money. I was always answering questions and is sort of to build relationships with people that are in the group. I never really used to earn money, and I said, okay, I'm gonna try to leverage it because it's 7,000 people, and it took me around a year to build it this way. So basically what I did is I recorded a Facebook live video that was basically only for my group. I did it with my phone, so it is basically set up my phone. Recorded myself for like a minute. And I just basically recommended the product. They didn't even do a review of the product. I just said, okay, listen up guys. This is approved and I'm really recommending you can check it out. I'm just gonna show you the video. Maybe you can go to my group and actually watch the video. This is the video. As you can see is like 2.5 minutes. So it's basically me just talking to my camera, saying that people should buy this product because it's really awesome. Edit is because it was being released by two great marketers. So I basically recommended the product, but I decided to track everything as well. So what I did is I used a pre-link forwarding to my affiliate link. So the pre-link is on marketing blog. COMM/$5. And this is actually LinkedIn was forwarding straight to the offer, so it was not. It was not a review, and will spray to the sales page. I basically recommended in 24 hours. As of right now, I generated almost 100 clicks, so it was 56 yesterday for the free today, so something like 9,090 clicks for basically 2 minutes of work. And just to show you the ankle proof, as you can see right here, it says make 47 over and over. This is the prime that was recommending. I've sent 500 hubs altogether because they also in my email my list, and from 500 hops, I made $300, so, 80 or 90 were just from this video. So, even if you're gonna divide, $300 by 5, it's still like $80 in profit. And it was all, extra income generated with food, little video, 2 minutes. So Facebook live video super efficient, super, and we can leverage it in a very cool way because every single person that is in the group that you're posting to will see a notification. And the first thing is that they will see you going live. It will pop up in people's news feeds. And the second thing is that you can pause the replay, and this is where I've done because I was like only for 2 minutes. So I posted the replay, and the replay will see 250 times. Up until now because it still generate more views and more clicks and more sales. So, $80 and 24 hours, 42 minutes of work. This is something super easy, worth recommending, because anyone can do it. And again, even if you don't have a huge Facebook group, you can just start one, and just keep on adding friends who are interested in the same subject. You will build a group of 1,000 people, and even if you're gonna make $23,050 a day, it's a super easy way to make money work because people are constantly on Facebook. You pop directly in the news feed, so, once when you win the real life, you're gonna pop up in front of their eyes in their news feed, and then right here in the locations. And when you post, replace, so that's the case study, and easy $80, you can leverage Facebook groups, and this is right here.